Yeah. That one on name Butterfly. Butterfly Vision. You know what I mean? A lot of youth are trying to hold strong, but then a lot of youth have the strength. You see what I'm saying? Now the support. You see, the key thing is to gain the right support, you know what I'm saying? The right support can lead to the right opportunity being achieved. Like a youth set a goal and him achieving goals, so him realize him goal now. So him try to turn him dreams into reality. Dreams into so much they collide, it becomes a vision. Vision is the upliftment of the whole nation, the elevation of the younger generation. Consider. Seriously. Give it some serious consideration. Meditate. Think about the things that can uplift, elevate. You know what I'm saying? I may have to tell the youth them say, get on a paper chase. You know what I'm saying? Chase the paper, chase the dollar bill. As long as you have life, chase the dollar bill. You know what I mean? Because it's the thing that can give you the strength, and it's the thing that can uplift, and it's the thing that can